Hello students, welcome to the online class. Today we are going to discuss the lesson number 1, kinds of sentences of class 4th. So before going to discuss, let's do the revision of the sentence. So students, you can see a green box here. It is written like rain close school today. Rain close school today. Do this group of words make a sense? No, this does not make any sense. See this box. The school is closed today due to rain. Do this group of words make a sense? Yes, absolutely, it is making a sense. So, this makes a sense, that is why it is a sentence. So students, you have learned in previous classes that a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense and expresses complete thought. So there have following orders. The sentence follows these following orders. What are that? Number 1, it begins with a capital letter. It expresses a complete thought and it ends with a punctuation mark. Some examples are given here. You can read it. Then look at this group of words. The rose is. Do this group of words make a sense? No. To make a sense, we have to start with a capital letter and express the complete thought so that it makes sense, then ends with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. So now let's make a sentence. Here students, see it. The rose is beautiful flower. Here you can see it is showing a complete sense. So it is a sentence. Now students, let's do the first exercise. Read the following and write yes if it is a sentence and no if it is not. Try to make a sentence out of those which are not. So students, here going for a. This is not a sentence. So we have to write here no. Jumped down. It is also not a sentence. So we have to write no. It takes courage to speak the truth. It is yes. Then here the people were enjoying the. This is also no. The bird threw the stones into the pot. It is yes. What a rainy day. It is also yes. Of various kinds. It's not, so we have to write no. Then here sit down. It is yes. The students interrupted the. It is no. Spread happiness everywhere. It is yes. So students, now I am going to say these sentences which are not a complete sense. Going for. So you have to write here I am going for a shopping. Then jumped down. He jumped down from the stairs. Then here the people were enjoying the. The people were enjoying the place and the food. Then next. Of various kinds. The picture is made of various kinds color. Various kinds of color. Then the students interrupted the. The students interrupted the teacher while teaching or while taking class. Next, let's go for the B number. Read the following and put ticks or crosses in the relevant columns. The first one is done for you. So here first number is hit the ball. So here capital letter is here, so that here it is tick mark. Makes sense because this group of words are making a complete sense. So here it is tick mark. Then punctuation mark is not there, so that it is cross mark. So following this rule, you have to do all the questions answer here. Then C number, rearrange the following words and make meaningful sentence. So students, here are some groups of words are given here. So you have to do the meaningful sentences. So number one, I am going to tell you. Number one is, so first one will be, I will look in the garage tonight. And number two, I went to buy a video game to the store. Then number three, early humans hunted animals for food. Early. Then next, travel by air is the fastest means of transport. After completing the sentence, you have to put full stop and first letter should be in capital. Then next, to grow a seed needs sunlight and water. Then next, Rohit played an instrument in the band. The next, we must drink plenty of water in a day. Then next, she had been waiting for a long, only long is there. She had been waiting for long. Then next, the people were gathering for a meeting. The people were gathering for a meeting. The next, there are many rivers in India. So students, you have to put full stop in the last and first you have to write in capital letter. Thank you.